What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to remove screen lock from Android phone. So let's get right into it. So head over to your settings, then search for lock screen, and here you will find lock screen and AOD. Head over there, and then you can see my current screen lock type is password. So go to it, enter just your current password and click on continue. And as you currently see that there are 5 options of screen lock type. One is pin, password, pattern, swipe, or none. As we want to remove our screen lock on our phone, so we'll change it to none. And as it is currently changed to none, so my screen lock is removed. This is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.